The easiest way to access the dark web safely is to use a private and secure no-logs VPN along with the Tor browser. We're using Private Internet Access. To get started, head to the PIA website and click on Get PIA VPN. Then select the plan you want. Private Internet Access offers multiple payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, Amazon Pay, and cryptocurrencies using BitPay. Today, we're using a credit card to purchase a subscription. After filling out your details, click on Pay Now. When paid, you'll receive a confirmation email in your inbox with your username and password, as well as your order ID. In your inbox, you'll see an account activation email and a payment confirmation. Click on the account activation email. This will include your new username and password for PIA. Note these down or copy them onto your clipboard. Head back to the PIA website, hover over Download VPN in the top menu, and click on the platform that matches your device to download. Then click on Download PIA for your device. Once downloaded, launch the installer. You might have to enter your device password. Open PIA and enter the login details from your activation email. Now go to Settings and select Protocol. We recommend using OpenVPN or WireGuard to access the dark web safely. PIA VPN also gives you the option to change encryption. We're choosing the stronger AES-256 encryption here. Now click on Privacy and enable your VPN kill switch. This will ensure your real IP address doesn't get leaked if your VPN should suddenly drop. Now head to the Tor project website and download it onto your device. This can take a few minutes. Once downloaded, launch the app. Select Configure Connection to change privacy settings. In general settings, you can change the browser font, appearance, and language. We recommend keeping these settings the same. Under Search, change your default search engine to DuckDuckGo Onion. In Privacy and Security, tick Always Prioritize .onion sites and delete cookies and site data when Tor browser is closed. Under Permissions, make sure Block pop-up windows and Warn you when websites try to install add-ons are checked. Next, in Security, you can choose between Standard, Safer, and the Safest security level. The Safest level disables JavaScript, certain fonts, and makes audio and video content click to play. We strongly recommend picking the safest option. Now, click on the purple Connect button in the top right-hand corner. Congratulations, you're now connected to the Tor browser and can safely browse the dark web. Now you're connected to Tor, you can access onion sites, which are hidden from the surface web. These onion sites have randomly generated URLs, so they look very different to normal ClearNet websites. We're using DuckDuckGo Onion to visit dark.direct and tor.taxi. These pages host links to other dark websites. The dark web has a lot of phishing links, so we recommend getting familiar with PGP encryption, which can be used to verify .onion links. As you can see, onion sites often get shut down and change addresses. One link that worked last week might not work the next, so don't rely on bookmarks to get around.